Hi guys, welcome back to another video of InboxKit. In this video, I'm going to help you understand how you can connect any of your existing domains into our system so that you can automatically generate mailboxes and configure DNS for your domains with the right settings. So step one will be clicking on connect existing in the domain section. Once you click on connect existing, you have to type the domain name. So let's say I'll type testinboxkittry.com. This is the domain I want to connect. Either I can just click on connect section, or I can also use the bulk upload CSV option where I can just simply upload a CSV of 100 domains, which post uploading will get connected into our system and will generate name servers for all of them. Here you can see for this domain name servers are already generated. The next step is going to be pretty simple. You guys can just copy this name servers, update it with your registrar in the domain management settings. Once you do that, you can simply click on check or just refresh the status. You can also use this section to check the latest domain status. It get automatically updated in case you update the name servers. This will switch to the active state. If I just filter active, this is how it will look. So this is how you can connect your existing domains with or any of your domain registrars. Thank you.